Hey guys, welcome back to the Jamquarium room. So I did grab a couple new things today and this is going to be pretty fun. I wanted to go over this with you. I did get a couple new succulent plants as well as a new cactus plant, and I did get a few new fish and 2 dwarf frogs. So first things first, I'm going to drop these bags in my aquariums and let them acclimate for about 10 minutes to the proper temperature, and then I'm going to add a little bit of my aquarium water in these bags before I drop the animals inside the aquariums. So let's get right to it and get a closer look at these fish. I do have a white male guppy that I'm going to be putting in this tank. As well as these dwarf frogs. This male does seem a little too aggressive and interested in this other male guppy, so I think it might be best for us to put this bag actually in this tank. Always best to shut the lights off during acclimation. This reduces stress. I'm going to also be putting this koi betta fish in this fish tank. All this tank has is a couple yo-yo loaches and a small pleco. I did get a small comet goldfish for this tank. And I'm going to float him in there for a little bit. So while those fish acclimate, I just want to transfer these new succulents and cactus over into these new pots that I have. So I do have one of these flapjack. It's gonna be nice and dry. It's going to come out smoothly. I do have a little bit of soil already in these pots. I can grab a little bit from this one. I won't need too much in this one, just to fill this one in. Alright, I'll start with the next small one. Pretty interesting. This one has a nice little piece squirting out like that. This is the Adromychus cristatus. There are a couple. This one's really sensitive. I saw it kind of falling apart. There's just a couple leaves in there just by themselves. Hopefully they sprout small little seedlings. We'll see. I'm gonna have to try to get that in there as best as I can. Let me put these aside for now. Put some soil there. This looks a little stressed out, so we'll see how this plant does. Not sure it's going to go all that great. Might not have picked the strongest in the bunch. Last but certainly not least, this very, very interesting cactus. This one's not going to be easy to get out. I might have to get scissors to cut it. Give me 1 sec. Now the next smart thing to do is to give them a little bit of plant succulent food. This is going to help just with the transfer. I mean, the plants are already pretty stressed out. Usually they sit in the store for a while without getting watered, so this helps. Just one squirt in each plant. I don't want to overdo it. And then I'm actually going to get some aquarium water right out of my aquariums. This is nice water, already has nutrients in it. I'm just going to water these plants a little bit. I water all my plants at the beginning of the month and we're basically there, so this works out. Alright, let's check on our fish. Now he did have this bag cracked here for a while, so we did get some water transfer. Let's watch them go. Frog number 1. Frog number 2. Alright, these fish did have some water transfer as well, so I'm just going to release them right in. Alright, and here's our goldfish. This guy I'm just going to throw right in. I didn't really transfer the water over much, but it's okay. They're very hardy. It's going to be way worse. Let's give everybody a few minutes to settle in, and then we show you how everybody's looking.